Solar power is increasingly becoming a significant and viable alternative to traditional sources of energy in an era struggling with rising fuel costs, environmental degradation, and global warming. As one of the most rapidly growing renewable energy sources, solar power is witnessing a significant recovery in global demand. According to the lowest of SolarBuzz's 3 forecast scenarios, the global PV market is expected to increase from 8.4 gigawatts in 2010 to 15.4 gigawatts in 2014, representing a compound annual growth rate of 16%. To take advantage of the opportunities offered by a rapidly growing solar industry, Jinko Solar was formed in China's Jiangxi province in 2006 by Chairman Xiande Li, CEO Kangping Chen, and Vice President Xianhua Li. Starting from upstream business, over the past 3 years, Jinko Solar has successfully evolved into a publicly listed, fast-growing, vertically integrated manufacturer of high-quality, low-cost PV products across the solar value chain, including silicon ingots and wafers, and solar cells and modules. Led by a strong management team with demonstrated execution capabilities and abilities to adapt to rapidly changing economic conditions, and with a staff of over 2,640 dedicated and motivated employees, Jinko Solar has delivered impressive performance stemming from its high-quality products, state-of-the-art production equipment, proprietary process technologies, strategic locations, and continuing cost reduction efforts. Building on its strong track record, Jinko Solar navigated the turbulent financial markets and successfully listed on the New York Stock Exchange on May 14, 2010. Featuring manufacturing facilities with state-of-the-art production equipment in Jiangxi and Zhejiang provinces in China that boast efficient proprietary process technologies and an R&D laboratory with strong research and development capabilities, Jinko Solar has increased productivity and annual production capacity while achieving rapid growth, increasing profitability, and maintaining positive margins despite a challenging economic environment. Jinko Solar's flexible raw material sourcing strategies, strict quality control, and expanding sales and marketing network will continue to allow Jinko Solar to timely adapt to the changing market and translate expanded capacity into profitability. With production facilities strategically located close to key resources and conditions, and sales and marketing centers located in Shanghai and Munich, Jinko Solar sells its products to an increasingly diversified customer base of over 440 customers across the world. With its vertically integrated business model, low-cost operations, high-quality products, increasingly diversified customer base, and access to international capital markets, Jinko Solar is well-positioned to take advantage of the growing demand for solar energy products and become a leading vertically integrated solar product supplier. We build your trust in the sun. Jinko Solar.